Welcome! This video is an instructional guide for the IBDoc portal. In this video, we guide you through setting up a new clinical user. Open the IBDoc portal and log in using your administrator account. Only administrators have the permissions to create new clinical users. Once logged in, locate the Staff section in the left-hand menu under Clinics. Then click the Staff tab. Click on the Create New Staff button to set up a new clinical user. Fill out the required fields with the correct information. The Personal section is for the general information of the clinical user. Choose a unique username. This can be anything you like. Many administrators add a number to distinguish between different clinical users. For example, I have used number 1234 in this case. The right-hand panel is for account information. A clinical administrator can register either another administrator or a clinical user. Select Clinical User as the user type. Tick the relevant boxes for the permissions you want the clinical user to have. API user is normally left blank unless connecting to external software. Can See Result allows the clinical user to view the result of all patients registered under the clinic. Receive Email Notification alerts the clinical user about patient results, overdue tests, upcoming tests, or any updates from IBDoc. Active. Tick this box to allow the user to log into the IBDoc app and portal. Once all information is entered and checked, click Save. After saving, the added clinical user will appear in the Staff section. This will trigger a notification email to the clinical user from support@ibdoc.net. This will contain a link which will allow the clinical user to set a password for their login. Once the password is set, the clinical user can log in to both the portal and the app.